Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Kawasaki Ninja 400. This sport twin just arrived with only 1,015 miles on it. This is the ABS equipped model in a really cool black, orange, and gray paint scheme. Low mileage, ABS, lightweight. What more do you want in a great little sport bike? Come on by and make it yours for just $52.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.